Now you are going to learn exercise 1.2 first problem. Find the cardinal number of the following sets. First question, M is equal to set of all P, Q, R, S, T, U. Second question, P is equal to set of all X such that X is equal to 3n plus 2, n belongs to W and X less than 15. Third question, Q is equal to set of all y such that y is equal to 4 by 3n, n belongs to natural number and 2 less than n less than or equal to 5. Fourth question, R is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer, x belongs to Z and minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 5. S is equal to, fifth question, S is equal to the set of all leap years between 1882 and 1906. Students, for this problem, first you have to check the given problem in a roster form. Suppose the given problem not in a roster form, you have to convert it as a roster form. Then you have to count the number of elements in the set. Okay. The given question first problem, M is equal to set of all P, Q, R, S, T, U. So cardinal number means the number of elements in the set. It is denoted by n of m. What set name is given, you have to take and write. Suppose it is A, n of A. It is B, n of B. Okay, so number of elements in the set M is denoted by n of M is equal to, you have to count the number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6. Okay, that's all. The second problem question is given, so it is not in a roster form. First you have to change this as a roster form. First you have to take x is equal to 3n plus 2. So whole number that is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. We need to find the values x less than 15. X equation is given, that is 3n plus 2. So the values you have to find n values. So n belongs to W. So you have to substitute the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. One by one you have to find. Below 15 you have to find. Okay. So this 15 is these values. For n belongs to W. So you have to consider the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. First you have to substitute n equal to 0 in this given equation. X is equal to 3 into 0 plus 2. Instead of n you have to substitute 0. Any number multiple with 0? 0. 0 plus 2 equal to 2. Then n is equal to 1. 3 into 1 plus 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. N is equal to 2. You have to substitute here 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. N is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Then n is equal to 4. So that is 3 into 4 plus 2. That is 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So next suppose you are substituting here 5. What do you get? More than 15. So you have to stop up to 4. N equal to 4. So you have to take and write the P values. P is equal to 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Have you understood this problem, students? Yes? Okay. So now we want to find cardinal number of this set P. So that is n of P is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the answer. Okay. Third question, y is equal to 4 by 3n. N belongs to natural number. That n values you have to take between 2 and 5, including 5, because here less than or equal to 5. N that is a natural number starting from 1. We have to select this small letter n. Okay, the element we have to find. More than 2 is 3, 4, 5. You have to substitute here n equal to 3. Instead of n you have to substitute 3. 3 3s are 9. So 4 by 9. Next to 4. 4 by 3 into 4. 12. Next you have to substitute 5. Y equal to 4 by 3 into 5. So the 4 by 15. So you got to write this as a roster form. Q is equal to the values taken, write 1 by 1. So that is 4 by 9, 4 by 12, 4 by 15. So n of Q is equal to 3. Next fourth question, x such that x is an integer, x belongs to his set and x lies between minus 5 and plus 5. Minus 5 here less than or equal including this minus 5 also. So the values is that equal to integer. Integer is a combination of negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. You have to write this. Then r is equal to the given conditions you have to satisfy. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Below 5. Okay. So n of r equal to, you have to count and write how many elements are there. 10. Next, the set of all leap years between 1882 and 1906. First, you have to consider this given year, 1882. So, you have to check it is a leap year. So, leap year, how you have to calculate, students? Do you remember? You have to divide the given year by 4. It is exactly divisible. That means remainder you get 0. It is a leap year. Otherwise, it is not a leap year. You have to check like this. Divide here, remainder we get 2. So 1883 we get the remainder 3. So these two are not a leap year. So next year 1884. So you get the remainder 0. So it is exactly divisible. So the first leap year is 1884. So every 4 years once we get a leap year. So you have to add 4. 1884 plus 4, 88, plus 4, 92. Here 1896, it is 19th century. Then 1904. So that is, for here exactly divisible years we want to find, for next 1906, it is not a leap year, that you know. Yes, next leap year is 1908. For here 1906 is given, so it is not a leap year. So you have to take and write this. For this 1884, 1888, 1892, 1896. 19th century is not a, it is exactly divisible by 4, but it is not considered a leap year. Okay, all the centuries year is not a leap year. That is 18th century, 17th century, it is not a leap year. So you have to take and write 1884, 1888, 1892, 1896, 1904. So n of s is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N of s is equal to 5.